Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So if your laptop keyboard is not working, in this video I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. So let's start. First, click on your Windows icon. Now scroll down and click on this Windows Ace for Access. Expand this option. Now click on on-screen keyboard to open your keyboard on-screen keyboard. After that, simply click on the search box. With the help of this on-screen keyboard, type Device Manager. And you can see the option Device Manager. Simply click on it. So this is my Device Manager. Or if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, right click on your Windows icon. Then click on Device Manager to open your Device Manager directly. Now you can see the option Keyboards. Expand this option. So these are the two drivers. Right click on the first driver, then click on Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer, click on Let Me Pick From. Now select your keyboard device, select this option, then click on Next. So this option will update your keyboard driver. Successfully updated. Click on Close. Now select the second option, right click on it, then click on Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer, click on Let Me Pick From, select your driver, then click on Next, then click on Close. Now simply restart your system. You can see the option Restart Your Computer Now. Simply select on Yes and restart your system and it will fix your keyboard issue. So this is the simple method you can apply to fix your laptop keyboard. This is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.